Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are in good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 7 Language and Literature. Proverbs are valuable statements or life advices based on knowledge and experience. Abhi's friends are in trouble. He wants to help them by saying the correct proverb. Match the proverb spoken by Abhi with the situation given here. Number 1. Rahul wants to leave his homework for later because he is too lazy to do it now. So, a little too late is much too late. Option D. 2. Palak has a test tomorrow and she is not prepared for the test. She is praying to God for good marks. Okay. F. God helps those who help themselves. Option F. 3. Mohan has not done his project and wants to finish it quickly. Number 3. Haste makes waste. Option C. 4. Adi and Pritam just don't want to do the assignment together. E. Two heads are better than one. 5. Chavi is very worried about her exam result and can't concentrate on anything also. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Option A. 6. Sia lost her ball in the park today and she is very sad. Don't cry over spilt milk. Option B. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Famous books and their authors. There is a long list of world famous books that are penned by Indian authors. Given below are the pictures of some famous books and their authors. Match them by writing the correct letters in the boxes. One has been done for you. Like, one has been done for you. Where? 1. First book, The Three My Life. Faces of My Life. Faces of My Life. पहली बुक किसकी है ये? चेतन भगत. Writer is Chetan Bhagat. Second, Train to Pakistan. Khushwant Singh. 3. The God of Small Things. Arundhati Roy. Gitanjali Rabindranath Tagore. Ramayan Valmiki. Godan Munshi Premchand. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Stories we remember. Do you know the names of these famous stories? Identify them from the using the help box. Okay, let me start. Number 1, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. 2, Robinson Crusoe. The Ant and the Grasshopper. 4, Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. 5, Sindbad the Travels. Sindbad the Sailor. Number 6, Riding Hood. Number 6, Little Red Riding Hood. Number 7, Swami and his friend. Number 8, Gulliver's Travel. Number 9, The Adventures of Robin Hood. Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. So these are the stories. Okay, so my dear students, the chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Kitchen appliances. Peter wants to cook breakfast for his family. He's not sure how to use all the kitchen appliances. Help him to find the correct kitchen appliances from the clues given below the picture. You may also take help from the box. Let we start. Number 1. I can help you to get rid of smoke. Chimney. Number 2. I can make yummy shakes for you. Blender. I can freeze ice cubes for you to go with your milkshake. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Number 4. I can help you to bake some bread. Oven. You can put me on a stove and fry eggs. Frying pan. Number 6. I make crisp brown toast for breakfast. Toaster. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Wonderful books. Abbreviations. James and the Giant Peach is an adventure story of a 4-year-old boy. James. By the famous children's author Roald Dahl, James was an orphan boy who wanted to make friends. So he begins an adventurous journey with the help of a giant peach and makes friends at the end of his journey. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain is a story about Tom, a naughty boy who always seems to get into trouble. Malgudi Days. Malgudi Days is a collection of short stories by R.K. Narayan. It is about Swami and his group of friends who live in the small Indian town of Malgudi. The story have also been made into a popular TV series. My Family and Other Animals is book about two childhood adventures of Gerald Durrell who wrote the stories himself. This book also tells about the animal life of Corfu Island where Gerard lived. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Abbreviations. A word written in short form is called an abbreviation. Can you write the full forms of these short terms? Okay, so let me start. CD. Compact disc. PTO. Please turn over. RD. Recurring department. ETC. 4. Etc. Kilometer. Mr. Doctor. SMS. Short message, service. Very important person. Life Insurance Corporation. WHO, World Health Organization. CBI, Crime Bureau Investigation. Prime Minister, Indian Police Service. Bachelor of Arts. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Fun riddles. Here are some funny riddles for you. Solve them and write the answer in the blank space. So let's start. 1. What is smaller than an ant's mouth? A baby ant. A box without hints, a key or lid, yet golden treasure is hidden inside it. An egg. What question can you never answer in yes correctly? Are you sleeping? Are you asleep? Are you asleep? Okay. What has an eye but cannot see? Needle. Sweet. What race is never run? Human race. Who is neither your sister nor your brother, but is still your mother's child? You. When I travel, I remove my cap. When I rest, I put it on what I am. A pen. 8. What cannot move or walk but can go from place to place? A stamp. 9. The more you feed it, the more it grows. But if you give it water, it dies. What is it? Fire. What were the two things that Adam never possessed yet gave to his children? Parents. और मदर एंड फादर भी लिख सकते हैं. A monkey. 12. What goes all around the world but stays at one corner? A stamp. So, my dear students, uh, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. One word substitutes. A word that replaces a set of words or a sentence without changing its meaning is called a one word substitute. Write the one word substitutes for the following sets of words. You may use the help box. Number 1. Animal who eat plants and its products. Herbivores. 2. The point where the earth and the sky seem to meet. Horizon. 3. One who cannot read and write. Illiterate. A person who writes book. Author. A person who is under medical treatment. Patient. Incapable of being dissolved in a liquid. Insoluble. Insoluble. One who goes on foot. Pedestrian. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. The words having similar sound but different spelling and meanings are called homophones. So choose the correct words from the brackets and fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. Here. The rat entered the hole. My father bought a pair of socks. We have dashed the match, won the match. My mother dashed me a cake, made. The dog has a tail. I went dash with my parents. There. Rahul is the only son of his parents. Sia does not like to eat meat. Never run on the stairs. She is a dash in the convent. None. So, my dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.